Hello viewers, are you experiencing Play Store dark mode automatic turn on problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to Play Store and then click on profile icon. Now scroll down and go to settings option. Then go to general option. Now here you can see theme option. Click on this option. Now enable light mode. Click on light option and then click on OK. Now go back to home screen and then go to settings option. Go to settings option. Now scroll down. Go to apps or apps management option. Now find Play Store from the app list. Click on Play Store option. Go to storage option. Clear cache your Play Store storage. Now go back. Click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then restart your device. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved successfully.